Bitcoin may post a 1.3% gain by January 13, coin data flow suggests. Before diving deeper, let's scan today's price flow. At the time of this recording, Bitcoin shows a 0% increase and is trading close to $90,806.40. Let's move on to analysts' forecasts. Traders Union says the price could ease to $90,418.42 by tomorrow, with a decline of roughly 0.4%. CoinLore expects Bitcoin may move lower toward $90,715, a decrease of about 0.1%. 30 Rates points out it might climb toward $91,745, roughly 1% higher than now. Another prediction from CoinDataFlow puts the target for Bitcoin at $91,982.02. That's approximately 1.3% up. To finish, Gov Capital Collector expects the price at $93,491.26 by tomorrow, which is 3% higher than the current price. This is the top return forecast we have seen. Those are the predictions. Let's shift to what's next. Let's explore what each forecast could mean in numbers. Looking at the spread, prices could shift from a decrease of 0.4% to a rise of 3%. It appears Gov Capital Collector ends up with the highest projected return, with 3% gain in value by tomorrow. By the look of it, you could make between $1 and $30 for every $1,000 you invest. Based on probabilities, CoinLore has delivered the most reliable forecast, with a 75.2% chance of success. Taking every forecast into account, I've built one shared consensus scenario. Consensus modeling places Bitcoin at approximately $91,670.34. So let's check it out in detail. The consensus scenario highlights a 1% gain under today's conditions. That development suggests your capital could also gain by around 1%. On a 1,000 example, the move could potentially translate into about $10 gained, which puts the probability of this consensus forecast being met at roughly 65.9%. Let's quickly review the 3-day forecasts before moving on. Traders Union anticipates downward movement in the near term. CoinLore points to no clear direction forming. In this forecast, also 30 Rates emphasizes a neutral stance, expecting only slight fluctuations. For the next few days, likewise CoinDataFlow believes the market will stay stable, with volatility contained. The expectation from similarly Gov Capital Collector is for Bitcoin to trade sideways, lacking clear momentum. The consensus forecast highlights a neutral outlook, keeping Bitcoin in a narrow trading range over this horizon. So, 60% of analysts anticipate Bitcoin will face downside pressure in the coming 3 days. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Let's see how they aligned with yesterday's move. As a result, the day's market action settled at $91,004. The outcome showed that just a minority got the market's direction correct. If accuracy is the key factor, digital coin price ranked first. Time to unpack the outcome. Only a single forecast matched the boundaries of yesterday's candle. For ROI performance, multiple analysts managed to stay above zero, and digital coin price led with 0.5%. Now appearing on screen is the full results overview. All forecasts fact-checked. 30 Rates had $1,264 accuracy and minus 0.3% ROI, with a forecast probability of 64.2%. Study the table for a moment and see who performed strongest. And now we can observe how the predicted returns for tomorrow differ across a few assets. Bitcoin is positioned fourth, while Render dominates tomorrow's outlook with 6.4%. For now, this view includes Bitcoin and 4 random cryptocurrencies. A wider profitability overview and complete analyst stats will soon appear on my website and Telegram. If you're still here, you've earned my respect. Give it a like if this video brought you any value. See you.